Winston, and today we're making special salad with some baguette. And this is how you make it. First, you take a big bowl, and then you put salad with no of the purple stuff in it. And then after you put it in here, cut the tomatoes in diced pieces, really small. Put diced up tomatoes inside of a big salad bowl. So then you have to shred the Parmesan cheese for later. Then you take red wine vinegar and open it up and pour not too much, but only a little bit inside. And you put pepper and then salt. And then you mix. And then the Parmesan cheese inside. You can put a lot on, not too much. And I'm putting more. You just have to spread it more. You can do it like this, or you can do it like these two. And then put them in, before you put them in the pan though, put a little bit of olive oil inside so it cooks faster. And then take a wooden spoon, spread the oil around like you do when you're cooking bacon. Put the bread in. And remember, you can put it on 6 high. High is good too. Yeah, I'm going to put it on high too. And then once you're done putting all those pieces in, you can cook it now. And then you can put it a little higher if you want to, and then wait for 2 or 3 or 5 minutes for that to cook. So when you're done cooking it with the pan, then you can pick it up and put some in the salad. And then when you're done with that, you can spread them around if they're still hot. And then you can just cut the bread up, and then you can rip it apart and then eat it.